Good morning. I am Dr. Rajendra Prasad. I am Professor and Head, Era Medical College, Lucknow. I have been former Director, Vallabhbhai Patel Chess Institute, Delhi, and former Professor and Head, King George Medical University, Lucknow. You know, asthma is a chronic disease in which patient had recurrent breathlessness, and it's a chronic disease. It runs a very prolonged course, so it requires a prolonged treatment. Mainstay of asthma treatment, is the inhaler therapy. Usually inhaler therapy is not new, but what you do, inhaled therapy is much better as compared to oral therapy. Same drugs comes into oral and into injection and into inhaler form, and inhaler form is the best because by inhaler drug reaches to lungs directly. But today what I am going to share with you, there are a lot of questions asthma patients do ask me, that what to eat and what not to eat. Answer of this question to my mind and what I have learned and what I have experienced in last 4 decades, that the asthma patient can lead a normal life, can take a normal diet. It should be balanced diet. There should be lot of green leafy vegetable. There should be lot of vegetables, and there should be lot of fruits, especially the fresh fruits. Asthma patients should avoid tinned fruits because there are a lot of preservative in it. They always try to eat a freshly prepared food. If you are vegetarian, if you are non-vegetarian, that is immaterial. Anything you may eat. Only diets which we prohibit sometimes is if something allergic to some diets. But allergy to dietic items are very problematic. People perceive it very high, but actual allergy to these items are very less, not more than 2 to 3%. So what I can say that asthma patient can eat like a normal person. There are many times questions are asked whether to consume milk or milk product like curd. To my understanding, if you are not allergic to milk or its product, you can take it. Only thing which we used to avoid, we tell our patients to avoid in asthma patients, if something is proven that suppose somebody is allergic to milk, of course he has to avoid the milk. Otherwise, one may take a normal diet. Food, you should develop a habit of a regular food habits. Take food in time. Have a good sleep in night. Do some exercise. Do some yoga and do meditation. These will improve your quality of life. So to me, diet is not very important in asthma. Yes, during the attacks, one may avoid cold items. Lot of spices has to be avoided. Otherwise, one may take a normal food, regular food. अस्थमा के बहुत से रोगी, then asthma patient, many patients of asthma, they ask me about whether to eat rice or not. Actually, I believe this is a myth. If somebody is not allergic to rice, which is very rare, then he can eat rice. Asthma, my asthma patients, for last 40 years I am treating asthma, and if the patient is not very specific one that he is having some problem with rice, some allergy with rice, which I said is very rare, otherwise normally patients of bronchial asthma can take rice. Thank you very much.